Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a yummy ice cream sandwich. So let's get started. To draw this cute sandwich, let's first start by drawing a straight line across right here, and this is going to be the top of our sandwich part of the ice cream. So I'm just going to go right here and draw a straight line across, say about that wide, and then I'm going to come to right here and I'm going to round off the corners. So same thing here. It's all up to you how wide you want to make your sandwich. So then from there, now that I've rounded this off, I'm going to angle it out. So not too much, just a little bit. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So nice and even, and then I'm going to come right here and bring it down a little bit more. And about right here, I'm going to round it off a little bit more. So same thing here, just round it off. So there's a bigger curve right here, and then now that I'm pretty even, I'm going to go ahead and connect with a straight line all the way across, just like the top. So now that we have the top of the ice cream sandwich in, let's go ahead and we're going to draw in the thick ice cream part. So right about here, I'm going to come in and I'm just going to draw a curve. Same thing here, just come in a little bit. Now we're going to draw a curve. And about right here, let's bring it in here. So bring that in, and then now that I'm pretty even again, I'm just going to round this off a little bit. And same thing here. And connect with a straight line across. So that's why I'm not drawing too big, because there's all these straight lines. It's just much easier to draw smaller. So sorry if my hand is like gigantic right now. So then let's come to the bottom right here. We're going to draw the bottom layer. So just kind of following this angle right here. I'm just going to come right here, this area, just slightly, that angle, and then I'm going to round it off. So same thing here. Just kind of following the top angle and then rounding it off. And we're just going to go ahead and connect all the way across. So lots of straight lines and curves today. Okay, so that is your basic ice cream sandwich. Of course, let's come back up here, and I'm just going to tentatively draw a straight line across right here, just lightly, right in this area, just to give our, let me curve it up a little bit. Just to give this piece of the sandwich at the top some depth. So, but of course, when you're coloring it, you can just color this a different color so that it would stand out and know that there is some depth to this top layer. Then from there, I'm going to come to the center, so about right here. And I'm just going to draw maybe 3 ovals right here. So one in the center, and then we're going to come about right here on the sides. So I'm just going to block out 3 of them. And same thing over here. So same thing. And notice as I go up, I'm kind of following this angle. So I'm just going to come about right here for the last one. So now we know for sure it's an ice cream sandwich, right? With these little dots in the, on the cookie part. So now that we have that, this is your basic ice cream sandwich. Let's bring it to life and make it a Draw So Cute one. So I'm going to come into this area about the center, and I'm just going to draw a circle. And come right across, say about right here, and draw another circle. And let's make them Draw So Cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. And so have these eyes in. We're going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve right over each eye. And in between the eyes, let's draw a sweet smile. So I'm just going to draw a curve, and then I'm going to bring it up for a tongue because it's very yummy, and cap it off. So that's pretty much it for this ice cream sandwich. When you're coloring, you can add some cheeks. And since I need to add a heart, I'm not going to add it. Let's just add it right here on the side to make it my Draw So Cute ice cream sandwich. I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy and that you really enjoyed it. And if you did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.